Lily had been suffering from a chronic illness for many years. She had visited countless doctors and specialists, seeking relief from her pain. But all efforts seemed in vain. Lily's hope was fading, and she felt trapped in the grip of her illness. One day, Lily's friend Sarah came to visit. Sarah had recently experienced a miraculous healing herself and wanted to share her story with Lily. Excitedly, Sarah sat beside Lily and began to speak. "Listen, Lily," Sarah said, her eyes shining with enthusiasm. "I want to tell you about a man named Jacob. He was paralyzed for years, unable to walk. But one day, he encountered Jesus and everything changed. Jesus spoke words of healing and compassion, and Jacob immediately stood up and began to walk." Lily's eyes widened with awe. "But Sarah," she said, "that sounds incredible. But do you really think something like that could happen to me?" Sarah nodded with conviction. "Absolutely, Lily. Jesus is still in the business of miracles today. He sees your pain and his love is limitless. All you need is faith, just like Jacob did." Lily pondered Sarah's words for a moment, feeling a flicker of hope ignite within her. She realized that she had nothing to lose and everything to gain by putting her faith in Jesus. From that day forward, Lily embarked on a journey of faith and prayer. She immersed herself in the scriptures, holding on to the promises of healing she found within its pages. She joined a community of believers who supported her and prayed for her restoration. Months passed, and one morning, Lily woke up feeling different. As she swung her legs out of bed, she realized her pain had vanished. Lily leaped to her feet, tears streaming down her face. She knew in her heart that Jesus had touched her and brought forth her healing. Lily's miraculous healing spread throughout the city, igniting the hope of countless others. People flocked to hear her story, and many experienced their own healings through their newfound faith in Jesus. From that day forward, Lily became a living testament to the power of God's miraculous healing. And so the city became a place of hope and restoration, all because one woman dared to believe and trust in the power of Jesus' healing touch. The parable of Lily's healing continues to inspire and remind us that miracles are not a thing of the past. They are within reach for those who put their faith in Jesus, just like Jacob and Lily did.